Welcome to Guangzhou Devotion Home Environment Technology Company Limited. Founded in 2000, Devotion is a leading manufacturer with over 25 years of experience in the heat pump industry. Our modern factory covers 40,000 square meters, equipped with advanced production lines and automated testing systems. With an annual capacity of 90,000 units, we supply high-performance heat pumps to customers across more than 120 countries worldwide. We specialize in air-to-water heat pumps, including MPU-190 and R32 residential models, pool heat pumps, and larger-scale commercial heat pump systems. At Devotion, we're committed to energy efficiency, sustainability, and long-term performance. To ensure consistent quality, we operate our own in-house laboratories, including an ultra-low temperature testing center and a noise inspection lab. Our experienced R&D team, with over 20 engineers, continuously updates our technology and product design. Our products are certified to meet international standards, including ERPA+++ energy ratings, CES certification, and more. From raw material processing to final product inspection, every unit goes through strict quality control to guarantee reliability and durability. Our team is driven by precision, performance, and a passion for excellence. Devotion combines cutting-edge technology, rigorous testing, and global logistics support to deliver total comfort solutions. Devotion Heat Pump, reliable, efficient, trusted since 2000.